This BodyPro Deluxe back lift massage table for its high quality features, versatility and excellence in terms of value for money. It has many great features. Clients already commented on the comfort provided by the Supersoft foam padding. It has 7 centimetres of high density multi-layer foam, and also by the width provided by the side extensions. It is already 28 inches wide, but that just provides a little bit more. The adjustable face cradle and arm shelf have also been a godsend to me as a masseur, both in terms of my effectiveness and also providing better relaxation for the clients. The lifting backrest has also been another lovely feature. It can be set in a variety of positions, and again it aids me in my effectiveness of treatments. The adjustable 2-knob height leg adjustments have been really good in varying the position that I can exert pressure. I've got it on the lowest pressure so I can deliver deep tissue. Other features of the table that I really appreciate is the high quality beach frame in this sort of great cabling underneath. And also it's nice to have the sort of shelf, storage shelf under the table. That helps put in stuff there. Finally, another sort of feature that I like with the frame, that you can put your feet under the table, and again that will allow me to do a variety of other treatments. And finally, when I go from location to location, the sort of carrying bag is very, very good and compact. It's got Supersoft carrying handle. As you probably notice, in addition to the table, I've bought the therapist's rolling stool, which is also good, and a lovely black couch cover to go. So I'm ready to continue to carry out effective massage treatments. So basically, using this table, I'll be doing a number of massage therapies, basically Swedish, deep tissue, myofascial release, trigger point and sports massage. I think the main reason why I chose Massage Warehouse was its proven reputation in all the communications I had with them. I was provided with first class advice by knowledgeable people, and also by the delivery, which came promptly, absolutely no worries. Basically it exceeded my expectations. So all in all, already within the first week or so, it is proven to be a brilliant all-rounder, this table, and one that I would thoroughly recommend to anyone.